Everyone assumes that black holes suck everything, but the reality is that black holes don't go around sucking in everything. In their way, black holes are more like sinkholes. If you were to get too close to one, you'd get lost to the blackness. But if you're far enough away from it, you'd be safe. Everyone thinks that nuking an asteroid is a great idea, but you have actually got that wrong. Do not nuke asteroids that are about to collide with us, because the nuclear explosion will shatter the asteroid into millions of smaller pieces. Instead of dealing with just one giant asteroid, we'd have to deal with multiple impacts. You still can use a nuke to prevent an asteroid collision, but you will have to strike near the asteroid, which will change its direction. You can see thousands of stars from Earth at night, but the view from the moon is actually quite boring. Astronauts who travel to the moon reported that stars aren't easily visible from there because our moon is super reflective, making it harder to see the stars. Everyone probably thinks that only Saturn is a ring planet. But what if I told you that there are 3 other planets similar to Saturn? Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune all have their own sets of rings. Most people don't know about them because they're much thinner and pretty much invisible from Earth. We only learned about them when Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 flew past them in the 1970s and 80s. There is also a myth that the Great Wall of China is the only man-made object that's visible from space, but this is entirely false. You could see it with a camera and a zoom lens, but it's almost invisible to the naked eye. The wall is way too thin to be seen from space. However, you can still see plenty of other man-made objects from space. Things like dams, bridges, and pyramids. And at night you can also see lights from the world's big cities.